Man's been around for a minute. And if you look at him now, like I'm gonna pull this up just real fast. This is from the Dingo. Like, hello? He don't look any different. Hey guys, it's Tom here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got some more rain. It's been a minute since we got some rain on the channel. Definitely has not been a minute since we got rain in Texas. It's been raining quite a lot down here as of late. However, I do got to give a quick shout out to Phoebe Q Fox. She is the one, or he is the one who sent me the playlist that I'll be kind of working off of. It's like 70 something vids for rain. Now I'm not going to get into all of, some of those are like behind the scenes stuff and getting ready for movies and things like that, which are cool. And I might get to them at some point, but that's not the overall theme of what I'm going for. I want to get more into his music because it was off of the Dingo music medley that I was like, holy shit, I got to get to rain. It took me a while. I made some room in the schedule, changed some stuff around. Saturdays are now soloist Saturdays, so although you won't necessarily see rain here every Saturday, this is where you will typically see rain stuff from now on my channel. It has a home, if you will. But this is going all the way back to Rain/Bai. I don't know if that's like his name in Korean or something. B.I. Bady Guy MV full version, all the way from 2002. 2002. Let me say that again. I already said it twice. 2002. Like, hello? This man's been around forever. No captions. Let's see what we get.
Yeah. 어떻게 이럴 수가 있어? 어떻게 이럴 수가 있냐고.
It's kind of giving me a No Diggity vibe.
어떻게 날 이렇게 속일 수 있어?
This really sounds like No Diggity right here.
말해봐.
If that's just me, that's just me, but. Got like the old school like sound of like it's on the vinyls in the background. Okay. What is this quality though? 480p. Hate to see it, but it is 19 years old, for crying out loud. Is it just me, or does that kind of sound like JYP's voice there? Man's on a break. He's on a run for it. What's up with this like terrible mustache though? Oh, let's go. Get the suit. Get the suit. Let's go. Don't give me the suit in the dark. Give me the suit. There we go. Give me the suit in the light. Right there. That voice right there. This voice right here. This sounds like JYP to me. It might not be. That's just cool. It kind of reminds me of. Because it's definitely a second voice. It's not him. At least I'm like 95% sure it's not. What's up with that fit though? Got a mesh shirt with leather pants on. He's like, fine, yeah, it's me, so what? I'm out here then.
어떻게 날 이렇게 속일 수 있어? 야, 말해봐.
They recognized him. Dun, 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 dun. You guys go going back to jail, or? Oh, he's gonna get shot.
네가 날 정말 좋아하게 될 줄은 몰랐어. 그냥 조금 만나다 말려 그랬어. 정말이었어. 너를 아프게 할 생각은 없었어. 미안해. 미안하다는 말 아무 소용도 없겠지만 미안하다는 말밖에 할 말이 없어.
This beat is just, it's kind of simple, but it's catchy as hell. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we already know you can dance, my guy. We know it. Show it off, though. Oh, so he went to jail. Well, no, I don't know. I'm confused because now he's in the suit walking down the street after he'd already escaped. Okay, I'm a little confused on that one. Which is nothing new for me to be confused after watching an MV. Let's be real on that. If y'all can help me out with the storyline a little bit there better, I'd appreciate that. And was this Rain's quote unquote debut, or is there something before this? Let me know. I don't know, but this came out 19 years ago. Like, what? Man's been around for a minute. And if you look at him now, like, I'm gonna pull this up just real fast. This is from the Dingo. Like, hello? He don't look any different. But either way, let me know what you guys thought about this one. If y'all can help me out with a little bit of the storyline, I guess is the best way to say it. I'd appreciate that. I've got a good playlist for Rain. Like I said, you might not see him every single Saturday, but this is, you know, on this day is where we will pretty much have Rain stuff from now on, unless he comes out with something new or whatever, in which case I'll put it up kind of when I feel like it. That's the perks of it being my channel. Kind of do what I want. Either way, let me know what you guys thought about this one. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Cheers to you guys, and we'll see y'all in the next one.